Welcome to the Global Affairs Academy. Let's review and analyze the economic trade war between India and USA and the latest developments happening every other day, especially in terms of India and USA. What's the strategic formula to beat the USA? The world is heating up again as India takes a bold step against American pressure. After Prime Minister Modi's meeting with Chinese President Xi Jinping, a new economic strategy has shaken global markets. Inspired by China's domestic growth formula, India has now launched its own version to counter Donald Trump's tariffs and rising dollar dominance. And trust me, this move is full of fire and drama. Here is what happened. Trump's heavy tariffs on garment, IT, electronics and manufacturing companies created chaos when factories were running half-time and uncertainty was everywhere. China saw this storm coming years ago. Xi Jinping had already told his people, produce locally, raise wages, create opportunities and buy your own goods instead of relying on America. That way China built a shield against Washington. Now India has applied the same Chinese formula. Modi announced massive tax cuts under GST. Items that carried 18% tax are now just 5%. Big ticket products like cars, ACs and television that had 28% tax are now down to 18%. This slashed manufacturing costs inside India, making local goods cheaper. Result, instead of selling to America, Indian companies are being forced to sell domestically. This not only tackle inflation caused by falling a rupee, but also fuel local demand. But wait, the real spice comes when you see the political angle. America already suspects a regime change threat in India. Modi knows that public anger can erupt if prices keep rising. So by paying taxes, he kills two birds with one stone. Wins people's heart and shows Trump that India will not bow down. On top of that, the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has started selling billions of dollars in the market to stabilize the rupee. Modi is even urging overseas Indians to send money home, offering benefits in return. Imagine this while America tries to choke India with a $70 billion annual loss. Modi is asking the diaspora to send $100 billion back, turning the table completely. And he is not stopping there. From Middle Eastern investors to Russian billionaires and even Chinese funds, India is hunting for global investment. Russia has already played matchmaker, bringing India and China closer. Moscow itself is now supplying China with gas and promising military backing if Taiwan tension explodes. That means a silent but deadly alliance is forming. India, China and Russia versus the US. Trump of course is furious. He is preparing the next round sanctions. Possibilities include blacklisting Indian giants, slapping money laundering charges, and even restricting Indian officials from entering the US. That's no small warning. It's a full-blown economic war alert. This is Global Affairs Academy, bringing you the unfiltered truth. Global power play. Drop your thoughts in the comment. Do you think Modi's strategy will save India or drag it into more trouble? And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more explosive updates. Thank you.